Hi, my name's Rebecca. I am a hairdresser and I live in my home with my partner Jason and my son. We built this house around 4 years ago and we are in the north coast of Northern Ireland near to the Giant's Causeway and Ballintoy Harbour. I love interior design and it's definitely a passion that I have had for a long time. Specifically when we built our own home, there was rain to make decisions from the ground up. My inspiration for the design of the home was definitely a modern twist. With living in the country, we definitely had that countryside feel, but I wanted to keep it modern so it didn't date or look old-fashioned. I tried to find a neutral palette and run it throughout the home, so I use apps such as Pinterest and Instagram to find my inspiration. Also, when I was shopping, I would have had samples of tiles, cupboards, doors, etc., and I would use this to piece together for each room. I found Material World through social media, specifically Instagram. I've seen other creators who had shown their fabrics and their blinds, etc., that they had received from them, and that brought me onto their page. I chose to go with Material World as soon as I was brought to their website. Their vast array of fabrics to choose from definitely made that decision easier in choosing them. The process of using Material World was really simple. From choosing the fabrics online to communicating with the team and having them delivered to the door, it was fast and effective. My best advice for dressing a window would be what really is the use of the room. For example, in the bedroom, we wanted it to be chilled, we wanted the room to be blacked out. We have other areas of the home where we want to let some natural light in, so we might go with a sheer curtain there, but really the use of the room for me would determine what style of hanging I would like in that room. I would 100% recommend Material World fabrics. I just find the whole process so quick. The actual quality of the fabric is amazing, the curtains are just perfect, and I would love to use them again for other rooms in my home.